Benvenuti nella mia cucina, my friends. Today we're creating a bold, rustic chicken recipe, the kind of dish that fills the whole kitchen with deep, rich aromas. We'll simmer slowly and build layers of flavor the old-fashioned way, one pan at a time. And don't worry about getting a few pans dirty. When the flavor is truly Italian, it's always worth it. Ingredients for the first pan. You will need chicken legs, olive oil, chicken broth, salt and pepper, and dried or fresh oregano. Ingredients for the second pan. You'll need butter, olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 jar of Rustic tomato passata, and salt and pepper. Ingredients for the third pan. We need butter, garlic, a glass of white wine, and fresh Italian parsley. So now I'm getting ready the chicken legs. So we have to cut small slits on the chicken legs and put them on the side. Next, we will season the chicken legs with salt and pepper. In your first pan, add olive oil, and you will start searing the chicken legs on one side. For pan number 2, add a little bit of olive oil and butter. Make sure your butter is melted. And then you will add your onions as well as your carrots. Let them soften and simmer. And you can also add a pinch of salt. Return to the chicken and flip the legs to sear on the other side. Back to the second pan, add the garlic and mix well. Add also the 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix well to coat the vegetables. Add a full jar of tomato passata rustica. Mix well and let it gently simmer for at least a good 15 minutes. Once the chicken is well seared, add 500 ml of chicken broth. After adding your chicken broth, you can add your dried oregano or fresh. Let the chicken simmer for good 15 minutes with the broth. At this point, add the tomato sauce from pan 2 into the chicken pan and mix everything together. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes so the flavors can incorporate with one another. In your third pan, add the butter. Make sure the butter is melted before adding the garlic, and you mix it well. At this point, you can see that the butter has browned a bit. That's when you add your parsley, and you will mix that as well. The butter, the garlic, the parsley has a beautiful aroma, but we need one more ingredient, and that is the white wine. Now, this is a garlic wine sauce, is the soul of this dish. It wakes up every flavor, adds brightness, and ties all the richness together with that unmistakable Italian touch. We have to let it simmer until the wine evaporates. Afterwards, we will add the garlic wine sauce to the chicken and we will mix it well. Oh, the aroma is absolutely to die for. When all three pans come together, you get a comforting, hearty meal perfect for pasta, rice, or even polenta. This recipe is easy to follow, full of warmth, and made with the same love I bring to every dish in my kitchen. I hope it brings joy to your table. Our little community grows one dish, one story, one memory at a time. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Ciao!